welcome back to Caden's Apple World. Thanks for tuning in, guys. So today we're in the same background. I think this is going to be my brand new studio. But anyway, as you saw by the title, I have collected a bunch of Apple products. Either from my sister, my parents, that they've bought Apple products, and mine. I just love Apple. So as you can tell.
Mostly our parents, probably.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yeah. We've gotten gifts for our, so if either me and my mom got a present for my dad, or me and my dad got a present for my mom.
Yeah. But, hey guys, so they're on the bed right over there.
I have tons.
So much. He even has my case.
I have all the boxes probably in the whole entire house, but I collect them. So, yeah, let's get on to the video. Oh my gosh, guys.
Oh my god, I can't even see myself.
Me neither.
So guys, if the camera was recording, my chair fell back, as you can see, and it made a huge thud.
Okay, let's just start taking them
And there's
out.
not real Apple things in there, it's just like the things it came in.
Yeah, so let's just start taking them out. Oh my gosh, guys.
Oh my god, I can't even see myself.
Me neither.
So guys, if the camera was recording, my chair fell back, as you can see, and it made a huge thud.
Okay, let's just start taking them out.
And there's not real Apple things in there, it's just like the things it came in.
Yeah, so let's just start taking them out. 1 hour later. We're done! Okay, we're done. So this is I can't even see myself. So we're going to pull them up one by one. So we're going to put them down on the floor, guys, so it's easier. Okay, guys, first of all, simply not very boring, the bags. We have Apple bags, Apple logo in the middle, and in the bags, these Apple things, it says, today at Apple, pick up a new skill, go on a photo walk, start a creative project. Whether you're still out on your phone or looking to push your creativity on an iPad, join free hands-on sessions in photography, art, coding, music, and video happening every day at the Apple Store. And then there's a little barcode.
Using the camera app to sign up.
And then it will bring you to the App Store app, and that's it. So
the more exciting products now.
Just leave us.
And I get to go first.
Yes, so let's get on to that. Okay. Oh, guys, by the way, I forgot to say, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Please turn on post notifications. And everything we talk about, like the boxes, if we talk about the iPhone XR, they'll be linked in the iCard because I do have unboxings for them. Some of them will not be out yet, but I do have unboxings. So just wait for those. So let's get to Caden's unboxing. We're going to go...
You mean Caden's unboxing?
We're going to go least exciting to high exciting.
Okay, so I thought...
So least favorite...
Which is this card right here, probably, because it's not even an Apple product.
It's not really a card either.
Yeah, really. But so as you see, you probably can't see it. It's
really overexposed. Let me just put these blinds down.
Okay, awesome. Now you can see the Apple logo. It's kind of like,
we're using natural light here. So in it's like rainbow. A color.
Okay, I literally pulled it back here.
It's literally
it's so bright. So it actually says this. It says, activate your card, wake iPhone and hold here. So
that's that. Now let's get to a higher exciting product. So now, pretty exciting, but not really exciting. The iPad Pro 2018 Smart Keyboard Folio. So we're going to talk about what's in the box too. But this box is really hard to get open.
Oh yeah, it is actually.
Okay, so then you just have this thing, and then there's this. Designed by Apple in California. It's like an unboxing, and then it has iPad Pro Smart Keyboard Folio. So let's get on to our next product.
Which is, I'd say fun, but boring.
Yeah.
I mean,
the light might be a little bit dim now, but we tried our best. Next is the AirPods Pro. This video should be out, so linked in the iCard right here, or right here. I think it's right here.
I'm gonna try shutting off the lights.
And linked in the description below.
I'm gonna go try to shut off the lights.
So when you do this, you just open it.
It's really not gonna help me.
You might help, but I need to do the blinds. Sorry guys about this problem. But then you have your,
You can only see oh, if you hold it back.
this is designed by Apple in California. Guys, by the way, I'm working on getting a new camera, so please subscribe. And if I hit 100 subscribers on this YouTube channel, I will be getting a new camera. That is way better. Then you have your AirPod Pros. And all those boring pieces of paper. So now let's get on to the next product. It's getting a little bit more exciting each time. So guys, we are not done with this product. Actually, if you look in here, I like saving the pull tabs. So there is going to be a pull tab in here. And then if you lift this little thing up, there's the cord. Oh my gosh. And then there would be a cord right here. So yeah, you can kind of see a cord, and then there's the ear tips. So we're gonna put this back now. We can go on to the next product.
Okay, I'm dropping everything, so I'll pick that up after. So next product is the Apple Watch. You can kind of see better because it's black. Okay, and it's rose gold, if you can't see.
This is my mom's actually.
So yeah.
You haven't seen an iPhone. You haven't seen.
So you open it and you get all this boring stuff. But here, actually, this is a part that doesn't fit in it anymore. But it says watch, and then there's an Apple sign, and like all the instructions.
This is the band, and then there is one more band. This is the medium and large, but my mom, she has a small wrist. She uses the small one. This is the medium large rose gold band.
So
kind of see the pink.
We are actually going. So I have to. So my mom actually got a new band for her Apple Watch, but we're not going to go get that one because it's downstairs.
So we'll see,
and it's also rose gold. So if you're
we'll
wondering,
see you guys with maybe more exciting products. Guys, I turn the lighting down a little bit. Hopefully that's a little bit better.
The Apple Pencil, I don't think you can see it. Can you? Because it's like really white. So here, I'll just show the shine. If you can quite see it now.
Nope, that's what we're doing now. Okay, sorry about the lighting, guys.
I really can't see it. Okay, guys, we're just. Have you seen the Apple Pencil before? Probably, but it looks completely.
So he's gonna open it and show you what's inside.
So the Apple Pencil isn't inside. When we open it, you get this, and then there's the Apple Pencil slot. If you can. Oops.
It's like a little indent right here.
You're just gonna open it.
It will say like
it's gonna like show you instructions about it. There's just like
random papers. We don't really need to show you guys that.
But since it actually is an Apple video, we kind of do because we're Apple. I say I'm not an Apple expert, but Caden is. Oh, guys, I did my first video today, so guys, go check that out. Kaylee McCann.
The channel might not be out yet, so just I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get on to the next product. Okay, so we're going to be doing the iPad Mini 4.
My mom's.
Yes. It's not really exciting, but we figured out the next product would be a little bit more exciting.
Yeah. And it's actually way better.
So we're going to show you guys the front. It doesn't show you the iPad face like the iPad Pros do 2018 that we'll be getting to in a minute. And it has the iPad Mini 4 on the side.
Does? Oh, okay. But this is actually hard to open. Like,
yeah, but the smart keyboard, it's really hard. It's harder than the iPhones.
Yeah, it is. Okay, so I'll get it open. Yay!
And everything falls out.
That's all.
So it comes with this, which
actually, before we get to that, it comes in this one. And then it comes with this. It says, designed by Apple in California.
But it's the different ones because usually there's ones that you can take out. But now there's this one that you just pull.
Yeah.
And it opens.
So you pull and it opens, and then
in there
just
is
instruction. Oh, I want to. This might actually shine better. Never mind. But it's like a picture of it.
Yes. And I think we lost the Apple stickers for those.
Maybe yeah.
So far we haven't got any products that have Apple stickers.
But actually, our phones do. I think yes.
And we'll be getting to those right now. So these are our iPhone XRs. Mine's white, 64 gigabytes both. Mine is black. So actually I might have my phone. It's right over here. So I'm
gonna go grab mine in my room.
Yes, so we're gonna go grab our phones. So guys, this is mine with the case on.
This is mine. Oh, sorry. This is mine. It's white, but I have a rose gold case, so you can't really see the white. So that's my rose gold case.
So then, if I'm gonna take my case off real quick, I'm putting my case back on. This is it. This is my phone without the thing. There's the glare again, and here it is. It's really, really cool. It's really like they have the same textures, but we're gonna put our. Sorry guys if you can't see my face, but I'm a little bit taller than the camera is. But we're gonna get back to you when we get our cases on. Okay, we're gonna wait till it to focus. Okay, so and then we're gonna open it. Kaylee's gonna be opening hers while I open mine. And then in here you have your designed by Apple in California.
I got stickers.
Designed by Apple in California. And then if you open here, usually they have the directions in here.
I still have my directions.
Kaylee still has her directions.
It's brand new. Hello.
And it says the hello, and it tells you everything like about the Apple product. And then I have my big giant Apple stickers. And next I have the, if I can fit these back in here. Then it also comes with a pin. So if you ever need to remove your SIM card, you can do that.
Caden still has his pods in there.
So then it also comes with the earpods.
AirPods, yeah.
Not AirPods, earpods. I've messed it up in this channel probably 1,000 times.
Me too, because like because my brother actually has some AirPods that I say it all the time. And like when I get earpods, I'm not used to saying
AirPods.
But before the AirPods were even invented, I was so used to saying earpods. But now I'm like used to saying AirPods.
So this is phone, and we're going to get to the next and more exciting products.
Okay, guys, we have the iPhone 11 Pro now. It's rose gold. Same.
It is my mom's.
So it may look white, but if I hold it back, you can see the yellowish brownish. So that is the rose gold right here. Let's open it. It's a mess. It's a mess in here. Okay. Just pull out.
I did an unboxing, and I didn't really keep it really good.
So we have the earpods here, and then trash that Caden left. We have this here, so it says hello. It has the Apple. Ooh, rose gold. No, never mind. But the Apple stickers, and then we have all the information. Hello notes. So everything else in here pretty much boring. So I think that would complete it. No. Wait.
No.
Oh yeah, we still have one more
product that's super exciting. Super excited to show you
Don't
guys.
say it's not exciting.
Okay, so let's go to that. Yes, guys, it is the
still putting away
iPad Pro. I do have an unboxing of this coming your way soon, but I knew they just came out with a new one. It is the 2018 one. It is massive. It's 256 gigabytes, Wi-Fi plus cellular. Okay, my camera wasn't focusing for a minute.
I got it away now.
So here's this, and then when you open it,
Oh, I just didn't say that.
okay, we have this packaging. I like to keep the packaging. Also, this is from the Smart Keyboard.
Neat. Oh, I don't think that, Caden.
And the pin SIM card, we undid the SIM remover card because we had to do that because my dad had an old iPad, and that's how it happened. Oh, these ones are different from the iPad Mini 4. So it actually just has the thing, and you like open it, and it comes out all the information and everything. So it has the iPad Pro, the boring information, and the giant, humongous Apple stickers.
They're huge.
They're huge.
Wait, do they even, let me see it. They take up like a whole space, like literally, so.
They take up all of Kaylee's phone.
If I put both of these on there, I wouldn't be able to have a case. That's half of my phone right there.
Yes, these are humongous.
I'm playing a game.
So guys, that's basically all that we have today. That's where the charger cable would have been, and then the large. It does come with USB-C to USB-C with the faster charging brick as the iPhone 11 Pro.
Of course.
Okay, so we're gonna put all this back. So guys, you should see my pop-up cover. You should see my pop-up covering my face right
here, right?
Right about now. So, guys, there's me. This is my papa.
Hi, this is
Oh, and
Papa.
there's me.
And there's Kaylee.
So, papa helps me with a lot of this YouTube stuff, so.
I don't do much.
Thanks, papa, for coming in.
My old YouTube channel,
You're
he let
welcome,
my
and you're doing a
cousins.
great job. Keep it up.
Thank you. Please subscribe, guys. So you guys subscribe too, right there. You. Okay, so this is my papa. Thanks, papa, for joining. Bye.
You're welcome. I love you.
Love you. Bye.
Bye.
We guys, actually, I'm.
Sorry if this video was too long and annoying, but I hope you watched till the end. Thanks for watching this video. Before we end, I just want to say my goal for this year, I want to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, either in 1 year or less than 1 year. Just please subscribe, guys, and I'm going to be having a fun unboxing and maybe a little giveaway, but if I hit 1,000, so maybe do one sooner, but I don't know. So
Comment,
guys, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, comment down below, hashtag Appleboxes, have any questions, and what kind of content you would like to see, like Apple content or Apple accessories. And thanks for joining, guys. Bye, guys.